December 12th, 2024. Facebook just posted to me a post telling me my account may be jeopardized, that my post goes against community standards. I did 2 posts just now. December 12th, 2024. Your and all of us who use Facebook who profess to be pro-life, anti-war, against genocides and conflicts, and supportive of human rights, and our use of Facebook is an enormous monetary gift to Trump's forthcoming White House administration led with Trump's agenda of anti-black race hate, anti-Hispanic and anti-Asian hate, anti-Semitism and Islamophobia, hatred based on national background, ethnicity, and faith background, his contempt for the disabled, and his 100% support of gun rights and the ensuing American slaughter which takes the lives of over 40,000 American babies, toddlers, children, adolescents, teens, young adults, and adult ages of all ages every year. Gun rights-enabled shootings is now the leading cause of death of American children and youngsters. We cannot say we do not know. We are all complicit, even though I bet some of my friends will contest that. The article in The Guardian UK American edition, Meta, which is Facebook's parent business company, donates $1 million to Trump's inaugural fund. So I'm not sure if the post he did was about this. I'm going to have to remove this post now. Or about this other post I did. I hope other artists in whatever media, visual art, dance, plays, nonfiction, essay writing, opinion column writing for newspapers and magazines, TV show scripts, photography, documentary films of whatever length, etc., will address Facebook and corporate parent Meta's complicity and profiteering from mass shooting, terrorism attacks, and the ongoing slaughter of American schoolchildren, teens, college students, and others who are shot every day. In creative pro-tolerance education works, silence enables the oppressor, never the victims. Both Reverend Martin Luther King, slain by a gun rights supporting terrorist, and the late teenage Holocaust survivor, adult-age author, and founding chairman of the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Commission, Elie Wiesel, addressed this during their respective lives. These are the photos I included. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. I included Martin Luther King's birth and death date when he was shot, 1968. A quote from Elie Wiesel. Another quote from Wiesel. A quote from the late George Orwell, famous great 20th century novelist and essayist, died around 1950. Washington Post headline from August 9, 2016, when Trump encouraged gun owners to take action, which is basically a call for them to have one of them assassinate Mrs. Clinton were she to win the presidency and appoint federal anti-gun oriented judges. August 9, 2016, Washington Post. My Sightseeing with Human Rights Art Series 54, which addressed Facebook's having removed a historical Holocaust photo I had posted after I read about a Republican congressman from California who claimed that American Democrats, the Department of Justice, and the Washington, D.C. Police Department were like Third Reich Nazis. And I did portraits of a police officer and children, one child, 5 teens who were shot in recent years, students, college students. More another recent news about Trump and gun violence, his encouragement of it. And that was the Guardian article here. Now I'm going to delete these 2 posts because I don't want to have my account jeopardized.